Learn democracy, Judy was ready. Oh, hello and welcome back to my channel. Learn French with Adriya. So, I hope you all are practicing all previous lessons, and those who are new in my channel, check the description box for previous lesson links. So let's start today's lesson. How to say names of the week in French. As you know, we have 7 days in a week. Number 1, Monday, lundi, lundi. Number 2, Tuesday, mardi, mardi. Number 3, Wednesday, mercredi, mercredi. Number 4, Thursday, jeudi, jeudi. Number 5, Friday, vendredi, vendredi. Number 6, Saturday, samedi, samedi. Number 7, Sunday, dimanche, dimanche. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Let us repeat again. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Please practice these names to be more perfect in pronunciation. So, my friends, we will learn